Okay, beautiful morning, natural soap lovers. I want to show you how the soap foams. This is acne and rashes soap. This is baby rashes soap. Okay, it's not oat and honey, but this is for baby. It's for rashes and heat rashes and on the baby. This is carrots, pure carrot soap. This is kojic and B3, so this is the one I'm using presently. I took it from the bathroom. See, it's still wet. Okay, this is antiseptic soap. So let me show you how it foams. Let me start with the antiseptic soap. Okay, you see. Okay, how it foams. Right, I'll clean my hand and do another lather test. Then the kojic and B3 soap. I didn't scrub it much on my hand though, but you see the foaming. Okay, I'll clean my hand and do another test. See, I've cleaned my hand. This is acne and rashes soup. It's also good for pimples. Let's see. It's also good for pimples, eczema, ringworm. Okay, this is it. Okay, now this is the one for babies. All right, this soap is super effective. Okay, yeah, that is it. Then the last one, I have so many, so I have about 25 types of soaps here. Okay, but this is just the few I want to show you. This is the carrot, pure carrot, no color added. I just made it 3 days ago. Okay, but if you want a madly foaming, if you want a soap to foam madly, you can add a foam booster. Okay, you can add a Texapon. If you have the money, go for Cocoa B10 or Cocoa Mile in the market. All right, thank you all.